Hello, my country people. Oh, how na day? My people, I greet una according to una time, depending on where una for the watch me. Oh, my people, na happy Sunday. I hope una go church. Oh, yes. So, my people. Oh, hi. The worst has happened. The worst has happened to our Nollywood actor. When they call you all Edochie, the coconut head. Ew, Chineke. My people, una know say. I did video, was it last week, when I dey tell una say Yul Edochie, hey, the kind bad luck when e be say e hit am this time around that is even the Yul Edochie know say something happen to am. Yes, something happened to Yul Edochie because why I say so be say, do you know that this continental lager beer when e be say Yul Edochie be their brand ambassador? Do you know that near success syndrome don't happen to Yul Edochie? Near success syndrome. I mean, don't talk this thing before, and I think say whether me I just dey carry the talk. Now, one of our blogger don't follow confirm am. That's why I want to redo this video again. To let una know say the person wey be say them pick. The person wey be say them pick. I think now which dey be 18. Okay, now today now, which is 18th. Now they go finally sign in deed. That is, then they go finally unveil them. Finally, to unveil them. Una dey say am so. My people, sometimes if something dey happen to you, to happen to somebody, it takes only for, say, there's something, how, I don't know how I'm going to put this thing. See, e get the way something go dey happen to you as an individual, as a human being. Only you go sit down. You supposed to get wetin dem dey call sober reflection. Reflect on your life. Reflect on everything, how go dey go. Just sit down and just do some critical analysis and critical thinking of your life. Because Yul Edochie was crying seriously. Went to an elderly man. An elderly man, this time around, he refused to even go to his friends because all the better friends, they don't finally leave am. You all responsible friends, the ones wey be say they tell am the truth. Yul Edochie don, in fact, Yul Edochie no dey gree near them because he feels that anytime when he near those set of people, na dem go dey remind am say he don F up. People like them Obi Kubana, all those ones, Yul Edochie no dey near them again because he don mess up. So my people, this Yul Edochie wey you dey see so, he cried. When they say Yul Edochie was telling the man say, since when, even in marriage, when he be say he shake am, he know say the marriage pain am, but you see this particular one when it happened to am now, the thing he shock Yul Edochie because Yul was thinking that everything don set. He and Judy, they don't even come dance. They can't dance because they go see announce Yul Edochie. You dey see am so? They go see announcer. They don't dance finish only for. And whether Yul Edochie no know say this in dance when he be say they dance with Judy. If you say another person and Yul Edochie they follow the dance safe, I don't think say Yul Edochie go get this kind bad luck. Woman, when it be say scatter your marriage, now you carry on social media, they come dance, and you think say one better business people go take you serious. Iya. So my people, Yul Edochie go meet an elderly man, begin they cry for the man, say he no just understand. The man talk wisdom on Yul. After they don't talk wisdom, give and finish, he go come think in life. Small time, he go be like who they remove his head, who they knock in coconut head, close am, he go start to dey misbehave. Yul Edochie, after they remove Yul Edochie name from the list of, from that list, Do you know the person wey be say dem put na dis Diamond Okechi? Yeah, Diamond na a responsible man. He never get any scandal. He's responsible. He's an actor. Everybody know say e dey act and people dey see am say im dey represent well. He no get any scandal. Na that one na im dey call carry. After they don put Yul Edochie don even do all the lobby when he go do. Yul Edochie think say that by lobby. When the whole world see wetin he do im wife wey be say you spend, wey don dey with you for 20 good years, you disrespect am, you humiliate am. On top of that one, your pikin kpai, you come out come dance for social media. In fact, you all know say e fit take you 20 years to build a career, but 1 second you don destroy your career. That is what exactly happened to Yul Edochie. 1 second e go take you to destroy wetin be say you don suffer labor for 20 years. Kpekus, my people, una see kpekus. My grandmother say any man, any woman wey go fit control im mouth and in between the leg, say e don solve half of im life problem. E don solve half of im life problem. Any man wey be say e go fit control that thing between the leg. So you see where the one wey be say e carry Yul Edochie put. Yul Edochie go meet this man o, come dey cry dey give this man say im name dey o, im name dey. Even when they assure am say say nothing, say im name dey, only for the list to come out, im name no come dey, im name disappear. Na im dey do investigation. How coconut take enter, how water take enter this coconut? Wetin be the mystery behind im name disappearing from that list? They say na woman na im dey in charge of that list. When dem see, unfortunately for Yul Edochie, that woman na one of the main nation. When dem see Yul Edochie name, dem laugh. They say, see, look at this one. So they will come endorse you, make you come carry the money, go dey feed that akpakpo abi with im entourage. E no go work. Say this man does not represent what they want, what the company wants. They don't want anybody that will bring failure onto their company. That Yul Edochie is not what the company wants. Maritally, he failed. He's not a family-oriented person. So they cannot endorse him. He cannot. They say at the dying minute, they remove his name. And my people now know say these people wey dem be brand ambassador, they pay them. Only one person, 10M, they will give the person like 10M, some self 15M. Couple with all the enjoyment or when we say he did this whole thing. So they say this one pain you all enter bone. Because he and Judy, they don't dey plan how they go take come do shakara for social media. How they go come take pepper Queen May. You see, huh? And the more that they do say they won't come take maybe their success or their win, pepper Queen May, the more God of Queen May, they disgrace them. My people, when I refuse to celebrate grace, Yul Edochie sef know now. Him know. How they don't follow touch am? Him know say, yeah, this whole thing, no be by power, no be by might. No be by power, no be by strength. Yul Edochie body don't tell am. Him body don't tell am these 2 years. What did he say? We may come off for his life. Body tell am. So, Yul Edochie carry in life, oh, go they cry. They tell this man, say im no know wetin im go do o. Im don tire o. Na when people hear say Yul Edochie kpai, na that time dem go come dey write RIP for am o. Say im don tire. Say im no know wetin im do, wetin im do to deserve this kind of punishment. Say even though sef say im marriage no work out, I think everybody don move on. I think Queen May, e say Queen May dey get endorsement. Queen May is living comfortable life, even more than him. Why can't people just leave him alone? Why can't they leave him alone? Why is it that any small thing when he do, even other people do am, if he just do he own, na im they go announce pass, na im they go talk, na im they go say. He say he's getting. He say Yul Edochie say im head dey make gara 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 gara. He say sometimes im go dey hear voice wey go dey tell am say end down, kukuma end down. Look at you, you are a failure. Look at you, you see your life. Say the voice go dey tell am say see as Queen May dey make progress, no dey make progress. So the thing dey kpai im moral. Say the only person when e be say e understand am now na Judy. Na Judy that be the person when e be say e dey hype am, e dey uplift im spirit. Anytime when e be say the thing don hook am, say Judy na know how to uplift im spirit. Na some people say, oya na, go and make Judy, let her uplift your spirit inside unto poverty. Yes, make e tell you how to endure poverty. Yes, she get degree for it. So this man come dey advise Yul Edochie. He say make Yul Edochie sit down, think in life, reason am very well, where im for go wrong and where im for do right. Make he can still rewrite everything. He can still rewrite in wrong or rewrite in everything. Make amend. He was just advising you. You say this whole thing when we say they happen to you, it may not even be because of Queen May. It may be because of your innocent children that you hurt in the process of preparing Queen May. Have you ever sit down and think your childhood, how your childhood will look like? Did your father did this thing that you are doing to your children? Did your father did it to you? You enjoy your why will you deprive your pikin the love of their father at this critical stage of their life, teenager, that need all the presence of their papa, that need this love of their father, as in that need it? Why will you do this kind of a thing? That it may not be Queen May. Now wetin the man dey tell am, it may not be because of Queen May, though what you did to your wife is wrong. It may be because of the cry that Queen May must have cried that night and told God that he should judge you, and God decided to look at you and start judging you. You've not seen anything, Yul Edochie, if you did not make amend of your way. If you did not amend your ways, Yul Edochie, what will befall you, you may not like it. This one is just a tip of an iceberg. Look at you. Yul Edochie come dey cry. Yul Edochie say, even movie role, down to movie role, he know how people they line up, producer they line up, directors they line up, they call him. He barely have chance when he was Queen May because he has a lot of work. Say now he finish now, he can't turn loafer. If he goes social media, they will be laughing at him. They will be laughing at him that he does not know what to do. He does not know what to do. He no know say this thing go reach this level. He no know say this thing go reach this level. he was saying that if he know say this thing go cause am, because according to Yul Edochie, the man was asking him that this whole thing, did you really have the intention of marrying Judy? Did you? Yul Edochie say no, say it was never in his agenda to marry Judy. Then the man now said, then why did you marry Judy? Why? Yul Edochie say he cannot even explain how this whole thing happened. All in mind be say Queen May will accept the polygamy, and he never knew that Queen May will reject the polygamy. He never knew that if he know say Queen May go reject this polygamy, because he and Queen May, they have gone far, so he wasn't expecting that Queen May will reject the polygamy. But he try him best. He beg you all. He beg Queen May. He said, I knelt down. I was on my knee begging this woman, begging Queen May that he should accept Judy. Now the man tell her, say, it's very easier said than done. Say, begging Queen May to accept Judy. Look at what you are saying. You that you are talking, put yourself in the shoe of your wife, Queen May. Let's assume you are the Queen May. Just sit down now. This thing that I'm asking you, reason it very well. Remove sentiment. He said, if they tell Yul Edochie, remove sentiment. Put your shoe in Queen May's shoes. Just picture yourself, say, now you be Queen May. You know how you started with this man. At the end of the day, a woman that left her own husband's house with 2 children, you want to bring such a woman into your innocent home. Ha! Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie, this is not you. It is not you that is speaking. It is not you. Do you know what I will advise you? You better go for either deliverance or cleansing. If you know how you are going to remove yourself from this bad omen. Because it's a bad omen and it will continue to happen to you. The spirit in Judy Austin will frustrate you to the extent of you will even look for, say, make buy come, make you peme. You go dey beg God, say, I want to peme. This life is not worth living if you don't retrieve your step. They say Yul Edochie cry bitterly because this guy now, when they say they give this ambassadorial deal, Yul Edochie, in fact, you can't even compare that guy with Yul Edochie when Yul Edochie was with Queen May. Now we say Judy Austin don't succeededly bringing Yul Edochie down. They say so. And the luck where Queen May get that this accept when you know accept this polygamy. Because Judy for take and shine. Judy and Yul Edochie for take Queen May shine. Then for pocket Queen May for no see anywhere breathe. Then look at Queen May. She's doing very well. Next week now she will be in America. Last week her products they were selling in UK. She ran out of the product. They had to go and order emergency container to US. Took a bakidaya. Unlike the resident income, when I say Queen May buy a house on the Banana Island, why she not go buy? Very enterprising. Very, very enterprising. Queen May, I love you. I love Queen May. You all try and make you just make Yul Edochie sign this divorce. Not be October. Make court do dissolve this whole thing. Then make we see whether Queen May go reach ground. If somebody like Judy, where be say na third hand, then somebody like Yul Edochie when Chaka go marry. Na come Queen May. Just try and Yul Edochie go cry blood. I'm telling you guys. So by people, now so Yul Edochie take loose like Lucifer. Now so Yul Edochie just take loose everything. Hey, now wow. Now wow. Hey. If they watch am, they go. If they watch like play. Yul Edochie now. In fact, all this one be saying they try to chook mouth for everything just to remain relevant. Now wasting of time. Somebody like Genevieve, we know they hear her. She's a noiseless celebrity, and now so Queen May be. Now so Queen May be. Now so Chioma be. Then quiet better. Only picture where you go post like this. Picture go they make noise. Picture go they make noise for social media. That is my people gonna celebrate grace. So the grace in Queen May. See the way they disgrace Yul Edochie. Finally, Yul Edochie lost endorsement deal, my people. He lost endorsement deal to another actor again. Last year, Frederick Leonard, na collector. This year, Diamond Ikechi don't collect am. Yul Edochie still dey where e dey. So my people, na this one I say, make I come let una know. Make una like make una share this video. Those of una wey be say una never subscribe to our channel, when they watch us for the first time, I beg, make you subscribe. All our returning subscribers and viewers, I say God go bless una. Thank you so much. Una have a wonderful day. Bye.